Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we've got a couple of new products to unbox that goes alongside the brand new iPad Pro that I've recently just put up on the channel. So first of all, you've got Apple's brand new iPad Pro Smart Keyboard Folio, and this is a cover, case / keyboard that we're going to use with the iPad. Looking forward to getting into this and using this with my iPad, giving it a little bit more protection as well. Also, I have bought a USB-C to Lightning connection cable as well. So now what you can do is take the power from your iPad and actually charge up your iPhone, which is great, or other devices that use the Lightning connection. Or I can actually plug this into the power brick that I received with my iPad, which is USB-C, and offers 18 watts of charging power for my iPhone. So this will potentially damage the battery a little bit quicker over time because you're putting a lot more power into it, but you will get a quicker charge time. We're going to jump in and have a look at the brand new Apple iPad Pro Smart Keyboard Folio. So here in the UK, this costs £179. I got mine from the US when I took my trip to the US. So it only comes in one color, which is charcoal, which is a nice color, professional color. I wish they gave you more options if you wanted to. Clean, clear packaging as always from Apple. So this is an English United States, but there's only one key that I need to change, and you can do that in the keyboard shortcuts. So at the top here, the left hand corner, it's an iPad Pro 11-inch Smart Keyboard Folio, and what that means is it can be sat in different directions and be folded away as well. So down here, just a list of models in different languages which it will work for, and obviously this is only for the iPad Pro 11-inch. With my knife here, I've accidentally made a mark already. I'll just cut away the plastic. So I hope you have all had a great Christmas or a great holiday or great celebration, whatever you have done this year. And we're very close to a new year now, and there will be loads of videos coming up very soon. We've got some exciting products as well coming up in 2019, and also we've got a great few products to finish up the year as well. So we do have Apple's slow reveal on this as well. There we go. So just setting that to the side. There's a little tab here to pull this out, and that's all you're actually going to get in the box. You're not going to get much else in there, so don't be surprised if it's quite empty. So why did I go for this over just the standard cover? Well, the standard cover costs about £80 here in the UK. This costs about £100 more, but you do get a keyboard, and also then you do get back protection for your iPad as well as just the keyboard, which is great. So here is the keyboard and the Folio system. So you have designed by Apple in California. Inside here we just have iPad Pro Smart Keyboard Folio. So this is going to be a quick guide just showing you the folding features and more information. If you do need any help, please drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. Regulatory information and warranty information as well. Sadly, no Apple stickers in this one. Case is very simple and looks sleek, and design again from Apple. You know all the connections are going to be in the correct position. Of course, the smart connection has changed now. It's down here at the bottom where it used to be on the edge, and I think it was better on the edge, but never mind, Apple has changed it, so now we have to get used to a new connection. Next thing is to get the iPad, put the iPad on and see how well it works. So here is my iPad Pro, and as you can see, the smart connections are down here at the bottom, which is okay. We are used to them being on the edge, but we'll see how well it connects and works. So simply just line up. Be very simple just to line up. There we go. As soon as it felt that motion there, I knew it was lined up and it's now ready to go. So let's first of all fold up. Let's have a look around. So like I said, the camera cutout is all correct. Again, the speakers are easily, there's no actual covering of them. Coming down here as well, you've still got access to your SIM card, and you've also still got access for the Apple Pencil, the magnet to connect onto there, which is great. You've got access to your volume controls, and you've also got access to your power. The space grey alongside the charcoal color actually looks really nice. It looks very professional and a very sleek design. So you do have two different stand options. So let's have a look at both of them. We'll choose the highest one first. So just pull this out slightly and then point down. So this is your first option here. So this will be very good for typing and looks very much like a MacBook does. You've got a nice large display there. Some people say the 11-inch is too small. For me, it's good. It's very portable and very movable, and then you can actually kick back, a more kickback style, just making it a little bit more easier maybe if you're viewing something, and you can see that folio sort of style there that we're used to the old cases. So let's go home. So now we've got our keyboard actually on. You can use the different functions on here. Pressing command and space, you can search, you can command and tab through your open applications as well. So Command and Tab, there you go, you can see all of my applications open. I can jump straight into Facebook here. Again, I can swipe home and go home. Very simple and very easy. So the main feature of this is a keyboard and using it as a keyboard. So when I'm on the go, what I can do is actually not swipe down anymore. I can just search for Pages here. So we're going to use Pages, and inside Pages then I can write new documents here. So in this file here I've got a list of all my films on Blu-ray, and then I also have films that are on the iCloud, and there's a new one that I need to put in here actually. So what we're going to do is go down. I've just bought Red Sparrow. So if I go here, hit return, so we need capital R, Red Sparrow. So very nice, very easy to do. It feels lovely. The keyboard is so fluent. It's really nice. It's really easy and very easy to actually do, which is great. So now that's done, I can go home and carry on doing. I can then kick back and watch a film, or I can then actually turn it up, fold it away, and off I go. So with that as well, it is actually going to lock your screen, as you should see here. Wakes up and we'll go to sleep, which is great. So the iPad Folio Smart Keyboard is available now from Apple here in the UK and around the world, and I will link in the description. So one great thing I like with the Apple Smart Keyboard Folio case is that it requires no separate cable for the keyboard. It's all done through the Smart Connection 3 dots here and the 3 dots on the back of the casing. So once lined up, like I've shown you previously, just make sure it lines up and you feel like it moves, and that's because of the magnets inside. So that gives you a protection straight away for the back, but there's no syncing needed, no pairing, no extra cable. It's just working straight away, and you can get into your typing, your work, your productivity so simple and so easily. Compared to other keyboards, you may need to connect and charge repetitively and become very boring, but this case does it all. So as well as a Smart Keyboard Folio, I did buy another product, as I did say, and this is USB-C to Lightning. So let's have a quick look at this as well. So on the back here there's a little tab just to pull. This will actually undo the packaging for you. Very simple, just a cable, but I just wanted to show you the features that this cable could do. And again, you have more information on the box. And again, I will link in the Apple description. In the US, it was $19.99. And I think it's $19.99 here in the UK as well. It's 1 meter in diameter, which is plenty for me. So if you have a MacBook Pro as well, this could be used with your MacBook Pro. You have a USB-C 1 connection, and then you have a Lightning, the other connection. You could even use this for your AirPods as well. So now that's plugged into our iPad. We do have my iPhone 7 Plus here that I recently upgraded from, and this should give power. So the Apple logo has come on. Then this will take the power from the iPad and actually charge up your iPhone, which I think is awesome. And then also you could charge up your AirPods. I would show you that, but I accidentally lost my case, so it's slightly annoying there. But I felt a vibration. I'm just going to show you here. In the top corner, it's green, and it's now charging up my iPhone 7 Plus, and also work with any device that uses the Lightning connection. You can use it with the 18-watt charger and charge up your devices, but please note it's a lot of power going through the devices compared to the actual charger that comes with your phone, so it will potentially harm your battery a lot quicker than actual normal charging process. So please bear that in mind before deciding to do that. But I thought the cable was a great extra benefit that I may need in the future. The main product for me from America was this Smart Keyboard Folio that I needed to protect my iPad, and then I can use the keyboard when I'm at different press events to write up my latest notes, and you get the news even faster. So thanks always for watching. If you do have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below, and thank you for all your support in 2018. It means the world to me. I can't wait to see what we do in 2019. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.